communication with a charger. Supercharge can also identify the load capacity.
Enables intelligent charging via the Smart Charge Protocol (SCP), allowing a smartphone to establish a direct communication with a charger. Supercharge can also identify the load capacity of a charger and cable. The Supercharge adapter intelligently outputs the most efficient voltage to a smartphone's battery according to real-time battery requirements. Supercharge is the best way to avoid additional in-phone voltage transformation, which results in unnecessary efficiency losses. 4.5 volts 5A Supercharge reduces the heat generated from voltage transformation by 50% compared to a traditional 9 volt 2A quick charging. The 8-layer cooling system significantly relieves generated heat. Supercharge is designed to be both fast and safe. In fact, Supercharge has 5 safety protection gates. Each gate has 3-layer smart security check. This combined 15-layer security net provides charging protection in real time.